everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some lightweight kurti designs which are very much in trend nowadays and also very comfortable to wear in offices. You can make them by suit piece material that we usually buy from market or receives as a gift from our relatives. So continue watching to know the various designs of suit pieces.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.